In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Bitcoin on Moonpay. Whether you're new to the world of cryptocurrencies or simply looking to expand your digital wallet, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the Moonpay platform with ease. First things first, if you haven't already, you'll want to sign into your Moonpay account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. The process is straightforward, and you'll be prompted to enter your basic information, such as your email and a secure password. Once you're all signed in, make sure you're properly logged into your Moonpay account to begin the purchase process. Moonpay is a versatile platform that allows you to purchase Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in numerous countries, offering flexibility and accessibility to users around the world. Once you're in, look for the buy option on the interface. You'll likely see that Bitcoin, often abbreviated as BTC, is among the most popular choices available. Remember, there is a minimum purchase amount, typically around $50 or the equivalent in your local currency, so be sure to have that in mind before proceeding. Next, click on the Continue button. At this stage, you'll need to provide some personal details, including your full name and nationality, so the platform can verify your identity. It's important to follow the on-screen instructions carefully to ensure a smooth transaction. As you proceed, you'll have the option to enter your Bitcoin wallet address. You can either search by address if you already have one or add a new address manually. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, you'll be ready to make your purchase. Moonpay offers various payment methods to cater to your needs. Whether you prefer using a debit or credit card, or even Apple Pay, simply select your preferred option to complete the transaction. The process is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, so even if you're new to buying Bitcoin, you'll find it quite manageable. If at any point you encounter any difficulties or have questions, Moonpay provides a customer service team ready to assist you. You can also reach out to their help center for additional support and resources to resolve any issues you might face. There you have it, a straightforward guide to buying Bitcoin on Moonpay. By following these steps, you'll be able to expand your cryptocurrency portfolio and participate in the exciting world of digital currencies. Thanks for watching, and happy investing!